Hello and welcome to GS Question Bank. This is part 20 of Ancient Indian History. Topic 20 name is the Indo-Greek rulers. Question 1. Who were the first rulers in India to issue gold coins attributed to the kings? A. Shungas, B. Kanvas, C. Indo-Greeks, D. Shakas. Answer is C. Indo-Greeks. Question 2. Which Greek ambassador set up a pillar in honor of Vishnu, that is Vasudev, at Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh? A. Megasthenes, B. Heliodorus, C. Theodorus, D. Pluto. Answer is B. Heliodorus. Question 3. Menander I or Milind in Pali, the famous Indo-Greek ruler, set up his capital at which place? A. Sialkot or Sakla, B. Pathankot, C. Rajkot, D. Sialda. Answer is A. Sialkot or Sakla, located in Pakistan. Question 4. Which Buddhist monk converted Milind, Indo-Greek king, to Buddhism? A. Nagsen or Nagarjuna, B. Gautam Buddha, C. Shakyamuni, D. Mahadharma Rakshita. Answer is A. Nagsen or Nagarjuna. Question 5. The conversion between Nagsen and Menander I related to Buddhism is recorded in which book? A. Milind Panho, B. Panho Menanda, C. Naga Panho, D. Menanda Panho. Answer is A. Milind Panho. Question 6. Which Greek king of Bactria invaded India about 190 BC and conquered a considerable part of the Mauryan Empire in the northwest? A. Demetrius, B. Alexander, C. Seleucus Nicator, D. Menander. Answer is A. Demetrius. Question 7. The military governors called strategos were introduced by A. Shakas, B. Indo-Greeks, C. Kushans, D. Bactrians. Answer is B. Indo-Greeks. Question 8. Heliodorus, a Greek ambassador of the Indo-Greek king, was sent to the court of which ruler? A. Devbhut, B. Bhagbhadra, C. Pushyamitra, D. Ghosh. Answer is B. Bhagbhadra. Question 9. Heliodorus was a Greek ambassador of which of the following Indo-Greek kings? A. Alexander, B. Constantine, C. Antialcidas Nikephoros, D. Seleucus Nicator. Answer is C. Antialcidas Nikephoros. Question 10. Which of the following types of coins were issued by Indo-Greeks? A. Gold, B. Silver, C. Copper, D. Nickel, E. All the above. Answer is E. All the above. Question 11. Which of the following is the most celebrated Indo-Greek ruler who not only stabilized Indo-Greek power but also extended his empire's frontiers in India? A. Demetrius, B. Menander or Milind, C. Hermias, D. None of the above. Answer is B. Menander or Milind. Question 12. Which of the following was the capital of Indo-Greeks in the Indian subcontinent? A. Gandhar, B. Sakla, that is located in modern Sialkot in Pakistan, C. Takshila, D. Peshawar. Answer is B. Sakla or Sialkot. Question 13. Which of the following was the last ruler of the Indo-Greek dynasty? A. Demetrius, B. Menander, C. Hermias, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Hermias. Question 14. Who introduced new features of Hellenistic art and literature such as Gandhar art in the northwest frontier of India? A. Kushans, B. Indo-Greeks, C. Indo-Scythians, D. Indo-Parthians. Answer is B. Indo-Greeks. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.